welcome to the game of death. Shut up, Andy. You have neighbors, and it's late. Anyway, it's particularly this late, so it's midnight of the 19th of December, an arbitrary deadline that I set for the first challenge of the game of death. Or the first two challenges, really. Challenge 0 was to mint yourself a hacker, and challenge 1 was to bring it to a safe house, because otherwise it will die. Shut up, Andy. Okay, so today we're gonna kill some hackers who did not manage to get to the safe house. And before we do that, we're gonna introduce the next challenges, because people are already asking for that on Discord. And I don't want to keep them waiting. And also, if the people are rewatching this little streamy, then they can now see the introductions. I'm highly unprepared for this. I literally just came home and started streaming because I'm a busy man. Yes. And this is all, I gotta do that in my spare time. So, here we are. We finished the challenge 1 and challenge 0 because I decided to start counting at 0. Because, oh yeah, look at that. I'm now part of the monkey DAO. That's another thing. So Discord, thank you. And yeah, challenge 0 was to mint the hacker, and today we can start challenge 2, which I'm gonna just talk over this. Is to learn about the token program and token accounts, because I always want to have like a goal of what I want to teach you when I introduce those challenges. So, first one, okay, the first one was random because you need a hacker, and I was too lazy to set up a frontend. Let's be honest, that's the reason why you have this. And then the second one, teaching you how to grind a Solana address. So now that the challenge is over, I can, show you that the way to get an address is zoop, Solana, keygen, grind. And then you say it has to start with, I've done that 1,000 times, SH. And you want one of them, and I cannot spell, starts with, and boom, there you have yourself a safe house. Now, for the next challenge, you will want to have an address that starts with TA for token account. Boom, there you have one. And this will need to be, well, not this specifically, but the first two letters need to be the first two letters of your actual token account where your hacker lives in. Now try and figure out how you can do that. Hint, it's not going to be the associated token account, the ATA that your hacker is in right now, probably. Yeah, so just a little bit to learn it. If you don't know what token accounts are, that's a great place to start learning about that now. Right, that's challenge 3. And that's relatively easy. If you know what you're doing, it's done in a minute, right? But for the people who don't know, they get the chance to learn about token accounts. And I can recommend Solandy's videos, because they are great, right? Just look around on this channel. I have videos on token accounts, or look wherever, right? Just need to figure out a way how you can get your hacker into this token account. That's going to be challenge 3. And because it's so easy, I will say that you get another week to do it. So if today is end of the 19th, where's my calendar? Next week will be the 25th. So 25th at 11:59 p.m. is gonna be the deadline for this, unless somebody is so busy in their Christmas that they don't want to do that until then. Whoa. Is that my neighbors telling me that I'm too loud? No, it's just a pretty girl texting me. Cool. Sorry, I got distracted. Where was I? Am I even live? Am I even streaming this? I guess so. I guess I'm good, but nobody in the chat, so I'm just assuming that everything is okay. So yeah, you'll get a week. You can always join the Discord and say, hey, I need more time for this, and then I'll be like, okay, fine. If you need more time, then you can get more time, because I'm also busy. Anyway, that's challenge 3. Now, for people to actually start some actual hacking, I also prepared challenge 4. Check this out. And by prepared, I mean semi-prepared. Is it that? Yeah, yes, it is that. So I have this on the wrong screen. I have developed this thing, which is just a plain Rust smart contract, which has one entry point, and you'll get to hack it. And first step is literally just finding out how to call it. Because all I'm giving you is this smart contract deployed on mainnet. That's all you get. And it's not even deployed on mainnet yet, but I will do that in a second. It's deployed on DevNet though. So all this does essentially, I mean, I'm being nice, right? I'm even giving you comments here and I'll tell you what this does. But so essentially, it's a program call, and it takes a bunch of accounts to be exact. Essentially, first one is just your wallet address. Somebody's got to pay for an account. Then the account that I want to create, and this is the goal of this challenge, create this account. If this account is created, then your hacker is safe. This is the account I will be checking with get account info if it exists, and if it does not exist, then your hacker will die. At some point I'm gonna ruin my voice like that. Anyway, that's the account you want to create. Now, that is just some information that I need from you, like which hacker do you want to save. So basically you just provide your hacker mint. So that token mint, that should be an account that is owned by the token program, and that you put in here. Essentially, that's what you would write in here as well if you were to go and check your mint. Write it here, and then you'll see your hacker is safe or not. We'll also have to update that. But anyway. Right, so that's that. I could have also implemented that as just instruction data and passed that as a public key, but I prefer to just have you hand it to me as an account. It doesn't need to be writable, or it doesn't need to be, and it doesn't need to be a signer. So all good, just need the public key for that. And then the system program I need for actually creating an account, which we will do down here. Yes, so moving on. I mean, do I want to go through this with you? Essentially, we do what we learned in previous lessons, like, oh, look, a nice monkey. Like when we did, those things. I think in state management, we did most of that, all of those videos, right? You can go check them out. Oh, look at that face. And yeah, essentially I, calculate rent, and there I calculate the bump. So it should be pretty obvious what the address should be that you need to fill in here for this account. Because this is gonna be that PDA. That's how you derive it. So you gotta learn a little bit about PDAs. Just saying, I have videos on that. And you're gonna learn how to manually call a program where you don't have an IDL. But it's not gonna be too complicated because you don't even need instruction data. And we need to learn this because the future challenges will build on this, and you will, always need to be able to call some program. And yeah, essentially what I'm doing here is I invoke signed the create account instruction on the system program. So I create an account, and all you need to provide here is the correct account such that I can do this, right? So should be pretty simple. And then down here, this is all just, sugar coating. I write some data in there and I say that this is true, just so something happens, right? And then I serialize that out. But really all I'm checking is if that account exists or not. Although I haven't written my checker script, maybe I also check that that stands there. Who knows? Anyway, so once you got this message, your hacker should be safe. And the difficulty will be to, call this program and get to this point and not already fail somewhere up here because you have an invalid signer or something. Yes, that's that. That's the next challenge. There you go. I explained it. All good, all good. Now, Andy, you still need to deploy that on mainnet. Yes, you're right. We still need to deploy this on mainnet. Can I just select a different wallet here? I can do that, right? I can just be like, give me mainnet beta, not the one from Genesis Go, because that just not exist anymore. And if I'm okay with that, let's see. Error. Access forbidden. Contact developer support. Okay. Reload that page, please. Reload that page, please. It does not do anything. Reload that page. We are mainnet. Access forbidden. I'm gonna deploy this soon. Again, damn it, Andy, you need to do this now. You can't introduce a challenge and then not do this. But on the other hand, we also have other stuff to do, like finding out who we need to kill. What do we want to do first? Do I have an audience yet? Oh yeah, I have it here now. No, wait, this is... Hold on. I can't have everything in one window. Give me that. I want to see that here. I do not have an audience. So I will not ask what should we do first because there's no point. And we're gonna first, oh, hey, now I have Firefox here. How useless is that? We're gonna first kill some. And by kill some, I mean find out who to kill. So let's go here because I'm so well prepared. I don't even have my hash list. I don't even know how many hackers were minted until now. So we're just gonna go here real quick, copy out my candy machine ID, put that into this tool from Magic Eden, which I hope will work, and I just get myself a hash list. Because of course I could also implement that myself, but then again, I'm lazy and don't have a proper RPC anymore that allows get program accounts, so yes. Let's see if that works. And if it doesn't work, I'll need to, find another way. Boop-a-doop-a-doop. Does that tool already support Candy Machine v3? Is there a difference? I don't know. Do you want my collection ID instead? If you're interested, please fill out the form. Please find token address list. I don't even, I didn't even, it doesn't even say what I should put in here, right? Should that be the Candy Machine ID, collection ID? I don't know. Maybe they check it themselves. Owner finder. No, that's not what I need. I need to find myself a hash list. But this does not seem to be going so well, is it? Good that I came so well prepared. Anyhow, moving back to this, can I, or why not, processing error, client error, access forbidden. I mean, what? What do you mean access forbidden? I'm like, got everything I need. Connection error, what? You don't like this endpoint, huh? But that's the public one, right? Mainnet beta serum. I mean, neither serum nor Genesis Go are good. But okay. Gonna try them either way. No, this is not helping. I know that this one is down, but like this one maybe? Serum RPC still up? Probably not. But hey, it's already looking better. At least it's waiting. I don't know. Maybe I should go to sleep and then do this tomorrow. But then again, I need to work tomorrow, so I ain't got time for that. Gotta do that now. Also haven't had dinner, still want to eat something. Man, my life. I've got my life under control. Totally my life under control. So this doesn't seem to be working. Not even the public endpoint for... It's a shame. Shame! Nope. Do you need to manually deploy this? Oh, okay, fine. But then not now. How about you? Did you give me a empty... What? Verified candy machine or verified first creator address? Verified candy machine ID. This is definitely my candy machine ID. First creator address. Let's see. Do we do first creators on this one? I don't remember. Super safe password. Oh, god damn it. It's so safe. I don't even remember it myself. You. Oh, you're just a collection NFT. But if I were to put that in, would that change anything? Oh, that's gonna run again for like 10 minutes? Okay. Nope. That's not what I want. Okay, different wallet. Doop doo doo doo. Gonna show you all my wallets. Doop doop doo 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 doo. I went swing dancing. That's why that still is in my head. Doo 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 doo. Do 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 do. Maybe that was the wrong button. Da 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 da. Doop doop boop doop 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 doop. Just some background music. So, what is my first creator? This one. Okay. Let's try this then. On another one of these. Dude, it's so annoying that Magic Eden will not allow me to not have my wallet connected. It will keep querying that. So annoying. Like, here it tries to have me connect, but if I like, no, I don't want this, guess what's gonna happen? It's gonna show up again. I'm like, no, I don't want this. Guess what's gonna happen? It's gonna show up again. No, Magic Eden, I don't fucking want this. Go that fuck away out of... Okay, I'm gonna fucking connect. It's so in your face fucking user experience. I don't like it. I used to be able to just not... No, I will not sign anything. Anyway, that's just great user experience. There. Okay. So if that's not working, I need to find an RPC that allows get program accounts. Ugh. Or is there another tool to find a hash list quickly? See, I mean, the main thing is done, really. Like, I wanted to introduce the next challenge. Then again, it's not really live. Like, the next one is live, but the one after that, where you will get, let's say, 2 weeks. So, check my time again. Let's say until the 2nd of January. So you'll just be still hungover from your New Year's celebration is when you'll have to finish that challenge. And maybe I give you a few more days if I don't manage to get it deployed right now. But it is already on. No, that's the wrong one. It is already on DevNet. I'm going to give you the program ID. There, challenge 3. That's going to be the program ID. And I'm going to post that in the chat. And I'm going to post that in the video description. And then I'm going to save that. And then I'm going to also post that on Discord, of course. And you'll be able to, you know, start hacking. It's on DevNet if you want to just try it out to make it work. I will always deploy them both on DevNet and on mainnet because I don't want you to waste your money on failing transactions. But I do want you to waste your money on the extra thing because, I mean, I decided to play this game on mainnet, so we play this game on mainnet. So you need to save your hack on mainnet. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Because, I mean, then it's nice because then you have the hacker. Yeah, that's just how I play that game, okay? So we don't hack on DevNet. You gotta hack the real thing in beta. But anyway, so yeah, you're not helping. This I can build, but I can't deploy. Connection error. Please connect RPC endpoint. What do you say? Yeah, that's the API mainnet for. Are we down or something? Nope. We're chopping away at those nice 3000 TPS. So, I don't see what's the problem here. Can somebody tell me what's the problem here? What the problem here is? Grammar. Because I can't. Oh, what the hell is the problem? Why can you not connect? I guess I have to do that locally. And I'm not going to do that live because I have no idea how I would even do that. I'm not that far in that chat. No, I already did that once, but like I would need to find my key somewhere and no. So I don't want to do that now. I gotta be somewhere tomorrow. But I will deploy this. Don't you worry. I will deploy this tomorrow. Same way I'm gonna totally get my hash list. Yes, we got a hash list. 31 hashes. Okay, so there are 31 hackers. Doobie doop doop. Oh no, are you gonna die? I always like to pronounce those things and then anyway. So we have a hash list. Score. Thank you, Magic Eden. At least that tool works with the first creator. Oh look, that's me. The Def J. That's me. That was mine. I think here, because I called it Def J pack without the P. Yeah. Anyway, I just like to have fun with those. And that's why I want to teach you how to do that, right? Grind your own address and use custom addresses for everything. Or not, but at least you now know how to do that. Where was I? Where was I going with this? Oh yeah, I have a hash list now. Amazing. Let's do some hacking. And by hacking, I mean just some plain programming. For instance, we can do this and say this is hackers. Let's make it a JSON. And then we are just gonna make another file. Or actually, no, just. Oh yeah, this is actually this should be a challenge 2. I've renamed them. This should this should be challenge 1. Don't ask me why I called it challenge 3. It should be challenge 1. Gonna rename it. Gonna rename it to challenge 1. Let's be real here. So what was I doing here? The checker. I just need the checker, right? So all the checker does is it checks for the program ID. Oh no, that is challenge 3. Oh, hold on. I'm already giving you the solution. Damn it! I thought this was the source code for the Discord checker. My bad. Did I show you too much of my solution? Anyway, you get. Well, if you watch this far into the video, then you deserve to see the solution, I guess. Oops. I thought I was in the folder where I. My bad. That's always the problem with live streaming. You just don't know what the hell you're doing. I know that. Wait, where did that go though? I have to. What's my temp project? Is it that? Wait, I don't want to show you anything that I don't know what it is. Yeah, that's the checker. Okay. Fuck it. That's the thing I wanted to have. Check challenge 2. Okay, fine. I renamed it to challenge 1 now. That's the code I wanted to have. Okay, cool. Challenge 1. Fucking hell. All good, Andy. All good. You're gonna survive. Just some hacker will die. Just some NFTs. So yeah, all we do is check for token accounts, get the one with most holders, which for an NFT is just 1, and then we have the token account of that, and then we get account info, and then we check the owner, and if the owner, we didn't even do a check here. God damn it, Andy. Oh yeah, because that source code is still in the Discord bot. Just gonna take it from there. I mean, it's literally one line more there. Let's take this one because that's also what the Discord bot does. Just gonna replace that here. Okay, so we can check for an NFT mint whether or not they succeeded in challenge 1. So let's do that. All hackers. Just gonna load the. Oh, I put it in the other folder now. Just gonna put that here real quick. Oh man, too many folders, too many windows, too many fucking windows. Hackers. Temp project. Okay, fine. I'm in temp project. Good. Then we require hackers. And just to check if that works. We print them real quick. Ah, what? Challenge 3? No. What is this? Checker. Checker. No survey, thank you. Let me see myself again. Yes, okay, I think. No! Nah! What? I hate this. Oh, You think that's a module? No. Okay, how do I load a JSON file? God damn it. How do you load a JSON file? Okay. We'll manage. We will manage. I'm a pro. I got this. Should we just go somewhere and copy code? Do we have a copy code here? Did I ever load a key here? No. Damn it. I need somewhere where I used files. See, that's how I program. I don't know everything, but I know where to find stuff. So there we go. We just do this. Easy, easy. Just do this. Ba-dum bum, ba-da-ba-ba-bum, ba-dum bum, ba-da-ba-ba-da-bum, bum bum, ba-da-ba-bum, ba-da-ba-ba-bum. And now, swoop. There we go. We have our list of hackers. Okay, cool. Now, for each of those hackers, we do the for. Oh wait, is it off or in? I think TypeScript might be off. I never know these things. I always gotta look that up. For each of those hackers, we just call the what did you call it? Check challenge 1, and then for the hacker, and then you need a public key? No, you need a string. Perfect. And then I just print if it's safe. Hacker is safe. And otherwise, cells. I'm a bit impatient with my writing. Oh, of course I need to await this, and then of course I can't do this here, so I need the whole freaking main function. No, not module. God damn it. Ah. I always keep thinking I have a German layout, but I don't. I prefer to work like this. Doobie doobie doop, and then we do this, and then we call main such that we can. Oh, of course, we also need to do that async. Da 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 da. Hacking with Andy, programming with Andy. Look at me, write some code. Isn't that fucking boring? Might be. Hey, somebody's here. AV Production is here. Hello. Hello from Long Island, New York. Welcome, welcome. And glad to have you here. By the way, if any of you guys in the chat have a question or something that you want me to talk about while I try to code some Steer, feel free to ask, because I'm bored anyway. He says, well, he's super busy with his brain. Will be killed. And then we just make ourselves a kill list. Oh, come on, Andy. Your fingers are not that fat, are they? And then we just nope. Add them to the kill list. Booty booty boo ba 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 doo ba da ba dee ba ba da ba. Hey. Hey, what do you mean? Andy's not a okay. You are a string array, okay? Be a string array. Behave like a string array. Thank you. And then we're just gonna print out our kill list. Cool. Now, check that out. Because I'm lazy. Oh no, god damn it. Is that too many requests already? Come on, how many hackers do I have? 31? It's not, come on, 31 requests. Please. Please. 31 get largest token accounts. Okay, maybe that's a resource intensive one. Fine. Oh. Kill list dot length. Can I also write it out? How do I do that? Can I infer that from this? Okay, my attempt is to write something in JSON. If I were to do the opposite of this, I would go fs.write. Oh, I don't have autocomplete. Well, let's assume the function would work like similar, and I would just call it write file async, and then I would write here what I want to write and maybe the file name. So I don't know which one is the direction, but kill list JSON, and then probably my data, and my data is gonna be JSON.stringify, thank you, of the kill list. Boom, shakalaka. And if that doesn't work, then this will fail, but that's okay. I will still have it printed on console. So we now need to either get a better RPC or wait a bit. And I never know how to do that, so we gotta Google TypeScript promise delayed, because there's some weird way of how you write that that eventually I'll get in my head, but like, no, this is not what I want. I want it to do with the promise. The inside then. Yeah, that's what I want. The resolve. This. Yes. Dot then dot sleeper. I just saw it. That. What? Anyway, can I copy this code? But what is the then on? Resolve set time. I think that's what I want. And I just want to await this, right? I'm just gonna be like, await this, right? And the resolver, I don't need that, so I can also be like, boom. And well, one second might be a bit much, but like, I don't want to wait forever. Come on. Okay, let's see if that works. Writing a killing script. What the fuck? After 2 attempts, I did 2 attempts. The console is not nice, but did you see I did 2 attempts and then it already fucking... What's the rate limit on this call? Man, I really need to get a better RPC provider for those things. And by better, I mean not public. Oh, the first one will already be killed. Come on, this is ridiculous. Redonkulous. Let me find the kill it. Okay, anyway, I have my script. Gonna let it... How long would I need to wait? How long are they... Wait, rate limits. Rate limits. So, number of requests per 10 seconds per IP 100. That's not my problem. Maximum amount data per 30 seconds, 100 mega. We don't reach that. So how in the name of does that meet the rate limits? Probably the get largest token accounts is like a more complex call, like the get program accounts, because it's similar. From what it needs to do, you can't directly get those. So fine, per 10 seconds. Should I wait 10 seconds? Is that enough? I mean, I totally have the time, right? It's not like I'm busy with like other things, right? No. Okay, now we wait literally 10 seconds for querying the next tag. Wait, I'm part of the monkey DAO. Do they have RPCs for me? Does anybody know? I don't know. I'm gonna check later. But yeah, we're just gonna now slowly, 10 seconds per 10 seconds, check whether my hackers are safe or not. And then find out that I forgot to save the kill list. I could be working on my killing script in the meantime. Oh, another one will be killed. I'm so evil. Those are the people who forgot to save their hackers because they minted ages ago and then they never checked back on the game of death. Or they just, I don't know, got lazy. Or were not aware that there is a challenge. I don't know. I don't think that challenge was too difficult. I just think some people might have forgotten or not paid attention. So their hackers will die. Should DM UNRPC URL have a quick note? You see, no, thank you. I'm good. I mean, you can, and for now, for this live stream, I'm good. Because, on the other hand, yes, no. Or maybe, see, I don't want to show it, right? So I need to be careful not to show it, and there is a chance that I might accidentally. But it would be interesting, not for this script now, but for the mainnet, the Solana playground. If with your RPC I could get that thing to work on mainnet, that could be interesting. But then again, it's not so important. I would just hit build and deploy. And before that, I would send some. No! God damn. Stupid. Okay, maybe I do want the. Maybe I do. Unavailable for key. Aha. What is that? $2CC, is that not a valid address? Looks like a valid address. Get largest token accounts. Was that already killed? Nope, that hacker seems to still be alive. Ooh, 3 days ago. Ooh, and he's safe. Like, I could manually check it, but like, am I that? No, I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, but I guess, like, I will continue doing the things that I wanted to do while I start cooking my dinner at freaking 0:44 a.m. because that's just what I do, I guess. Because I totally have my life under control and I totally I'm not tired yet. The whole point of this stream is to show you the next challenges so you can get started on those. You can definitely get started on challenge 2, which is to create a token account for your hacker with a specific address, and you can play around with challenge 3. You cannot get safe yet, but you can at least write the thing that you need to write in order to get safe. And really, this is all just a preparation for challenge 4, which then will be the actual first like hacking, like exploiting thing that we will have a look at. So yeah, I kind of want to release all the challenges so you can just work on them, but then they're not ready yet. But like release them before the killing date. But no, we will do this in a 2-week segment. So the next 2 challenges for the next 2 weeks, I guess, because it's Christmas and I am busy. Yeah, I will take I don't know if I should pronounce that Spanish. Trech. Yeah. How to pronounce your name? I will take your RPC server link and run that script again. And new file. And I will not show that. Hopefully. Yeah, show it here. Stupid. Where did you DM me? Did you DM me? On Twitter? Did you DM me on Twitter? Oh my, sent it. On Discord. Why do I not see that? Oh. Oh. Because I did not accept your message request. So, copy link. Put that in here. And attempt to never show this in the stream. What could possibly go wrong? And then, I hope I don't show this now. Oh, the tension. I just do the same thing as I did down here with the RPC. And then, oh, come on. And then I'm gonna put in this thing here. And then I'm gonna remove that stupid timeout again. And then I'm gonna try this again and also look at myself. Because I love myself, I'm so pretty. Especially that hair part here, that's so pretty, so pretty. There we go, see, that's how a script should run, right? Right? We'll be killed. Safe, safe, safe. We'll be killed. Safe, safe. There we go. 8. Only 8 hackers will be killed. Most of you guys are safe, which means we still have calculating 23 hackers alive. Only 23 hackers alive. 23 hackers to participate in the remaining 5 challenges. 5? Only? I do only 5? Yeah, I said I do 6, but like, yeah, maybe we increase it to 10 challenges. Anyway, I want the end of this game to be at approximately end of February next year. So we'll see how many challenges we get to do until then. I'll set the time goal of, end of January to be finished with that, because I want to then go into round 2 of the game of death, where I already have some great ideas on how to change stuff. But now we play the game of death round 1. The main issue is that this doesn't scale well, because I essentially now have 23 people participating, and it's only those 23 people. But hey, you 23 people, you definitely already get some perks for the next challenge. And yeah, some challenges will be similar or the exact same. So you'll have an advantage in the second round, which will run a bit different, but that's none of your concern for now. For now, you just need to know that there will be a winner or several at the end of February for this one, so that you know what you're signing up for. Okay, and with that, I think I want to leave it. I will write my killing script in private and in, peace sometime else when I'm like not wanting to sleep and eat at the same time. Yes, let me sleep and eat. And yeah, you go do the challenges, and yeah, let's fucking go. Not many alive. That's true. Yeah. So that means you're special, my dear friends. How many people signed up in my Discord actually? Let's check that real quick. Because it felt like there were more people signed up in my Discord. In here, for instance. Oh no. So right now there are 10 online. Can I see how many have that role? I'm not sure. Anyway, we've got a few people participating. That's good. Like 20 people, 23 people playing that game is already nice, I would say. And for the next challenge, we'll try to scale it up and also make it easier for people to start in the middle if they find out about it and then want to join in. Because for now, if you want to join in, you need to wait for a second round or bribe me to give you another hacker, which you can totally do. Oh, I need to stop the minting of the candy machine. Tomorrow. Tomorrow is another day, right? The worst thing that can happen is that somebody else participates in the game, which is not too bad. But we have rules. Oh, and I have my hash list and my killing list, so it's good. I do want to go to sleep now, though. And by sleep, I mean have dinner and then sleep. So we're gonna end here. I really hoped, or I really hope, that you are still with me, that you participate in the game of death. Dev, I need to pronounce it properly. It's game of dev. It's a v. God damn it. Damn it. Yeah, my pronunciation sucks, but I'm working on it. I'm working on it the same way I'm working on my killing scripts. And all the new challenges that I had for you to explore and then to die. 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 Okay. Have a good